Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
La la la, come sing with me, down on the farm so happily.
Animals playing in the sun so bright. Come along and dance with delight.
Down on the farm where the flowers sway, farmer wakes up to start the day. Cow says moo in the morning light, smiling big and shining bright.
Animal friends, come sing along. Clap your hands to the farmyard song. Jump up high, spin around. Happy sounds all over the ground. Horse goes galloping fast and free. Neigh, neigh, neigh with joy and glee.
Brown tail swishing in the breeze, running past the apple trees.
Animal friends, come sing along. Clap your hands to the farmyard song. Jump up high, spin around. Happy sounds all over the ground.
Sheep says bye in a fluffy row, soft white wool like winter snow.
They bounce around the grassy hill,
Laughing loud and never still.
Rooster wakes the whole farm up.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, time to rise up. Wings spread wide in morning cheer.
Farm is alive when he's near. Animal friends, come sing along. Dance together, strong and strong. Spin around, tap the ground. Farmyard fun in every sound.
Now the sun is sinking low. Farm gets quiet, soft and slow. Good night, cows. Good night, sheep. Farmyard friends drift off to sleep. La 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 la. Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.